friends, I want to show you this scarf that I received today. Look at that, the colors, the design. This accessory is perfect to use in so many different ways. You can use it in your hair to protect you of the sun outside this way, or you can use it to cover your shoulders this way, or this way. If you have cold, you can cover you a little. You can use it around your neck too, this way. Or you can do this. As you can see, it's so easy to wear. The color and the texture are amazing, and the size is perfect to carry in your pocket. I highly recommend this scarf. See you!